Hello, my name is Jessica and my registration number is UR1+CS343. So today I'm going to tell you about my sixth experiment, which is activity diagram of passport automation system. So here my is to draw activity with streamline diagram of passport automation system, and the description goes like this. Before drawing an activity diagram, we must have a clear understanding about the element used in activity diagram. So the main element of an activity diagram is activity itself, and an activity is a function performed by the system. After identifying the activities, we need to understand how they are associated with constraints and conditions. So before drawing an activity diagram, we should identify the following elements, which are activities, association, conditions, and constraints. So activity, it is nothing but one individual activity. So in our context, an activity represents a business process. Fundamental elements of the activity are actions and control elements like decision, division, merge, initiation, etc. So this is the activity diagram, which is activity representation, and then action, like calling an action, and we have accepting an event, that is also action, and edge, this is control flow. So edges represented by arrows connect the individual components of activity diagrams and illustrate the control flow of the activity. Then we have decision node. So the diamond below represents a condition branch point or decision point. A decision node has one input and two or more outputs. So this is the decision node, which is in diamond, and so these are the conditions to draw, to write. And this is the merge node, and then this is the fork. So here for the branching of flows into a more parallel flows, we use a synchronization bar, which is depicted as a thick horizontal or vertical line. So here from we have a horizontal line here, so that is from one to many branches we have, and next join, that is many to one. And then this is the initial node, so that is the starting state. So it is the starting point of an activity, and it can have more than one initial node, and in this case several flows start at the beginning of an activity. And it is also possible that an activity has no initial node but is initiated by an event or action. And next activity is the final node, that is a small circle inside of the big circle. So the activity final indicates that an activity is completed. So an activity diagram can have more than one exit and in the form of activity final nodes. If several parallel flows are represented with an activity, all flows are stopped at the time the activity final node is reached. So that's also, I'll show my diagram now. So you can see here, so this is the starting state or the initial node, and we have a fork here. So that is one to many, we have many states, activities we have. So first one is login, so then the second one is register, and the third one is filling the application form. So first one is login. So if login is not a user, he should enter the username, password, and then register. And next, if he is already an user, then he has to fill the application form and get the appointment. And next, he has to, after getting the appointment, he should get the verification, and if the verification is done correct, he should pay the payment, and after paying the payment he will get the passport, and that is the final stage. So it will end there. So if it is verified wrong, the passport will be cancelled there, and that is also an end stage. So here we have one initial state and the two final states, or two final nodes. So here this is after filling the application form, he will get the appointment and then verification. So this is my activity type.